In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can freeze your Snapchat location no matter what device you're on. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now I do want to say you don't actually change this inside the Snapchat app itself. Instead, you're going to need to adjust your phone's location. So go ahead and back out, and it's going to work the same on iPhone, Android, or Samsung, but open up your phone's settings app, and then from here scroll down, and there's going to be an option that's like privacy and security or privacy and safety. Go ahead and find that on here and open it up. And once you're on here, you're going to want to select location services up at the very top. Scroll down a little bit and you're looking specifically for Snapchat. You may have to scroll down a little bit in order to see this, but if it does help on an iPhone, it is alphabetically ordered. So as you can see, here's Snapchat right here. If it's set to always, that means Snapchat's going to always know your location even when the app is closed. To stop it from constantly updating, go ahead and change it to something like while using the app or never. Now, if you put while using the app on, your location's only going to update when Snapchat is open, and if you don't open the app, your location won't change. Never obviously means Snapchat will not be able to access your location at all, and your previous location will remain until you turn it back on. On Android, obviously these settings are a little bit different, but that is it. I will say, as a little bit of an extra tip, you can open up Snapchat, go into the Snapchat map settings, and then of course you can enable ghost mode, but that really is up to you. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.